Hey guys, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on functions, specifically on finding the asymptotes of a hyperbola function. This was taken from the November 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump in. We're given the function f of x equals minus 3 over x plus 2 plus 1. This is a hyperbola. And because it's a hyperbola, it has two asymptotes. Okay, so I'll write down the asymptotes of f. The first asymptote will have a y equals something, and the second one will be an x equals something. So to get our y asymptote, it's easy. We just look at that value there, and y equals 1. That's your first asymptote. The second one, we look at this, x plus 2, and what would make that denominator 0? A negative 2. So x equals negative 2. And those are your two asymptotes. 2 marks. Very easy. But that's it from me. But before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video. But for more epic videos, check out our website in the description below. Also, just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Prolog Solutions. For all your export and import solutions, check them out in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.